everyone. As Nan want to be a florist, today we're gonna arrange rustic design of the table arrangement in this beautiful container. Now we have a lot of different flowers as skimmia, hydrangea, and this is a piece of I call baby apple as a beautiful cherry color, Ranunculus, Astrantia, and this Hydrangea, and then I've got beautiful English roses. Beautiful. That's a really nice one. And I can't remember this is name of. So, and I use this fern as well. Okay. So I'm gonna start with the head of the hydrangea. And a hydrangea is one thing for the trick on it. If you want to keep their last long, they drink the water from the top of the petal. They're not going to drink the water just only in the stem. So if you see they start as like a tie necklace, and then you just spray, you know, take that what I call pocky, I spray them on here, and then, you know, take this about not long, about half an hour, they come back again. That's how the trick you can look after the hydrangea. And that's what they grow in the greenhouse. Beautiful color of the light blue and creamy together. Such a beautiful, it's my another favorite flowers. Beautiful one. Right, I'm gonna cut this, and then you check, make sure they're not too high. Okay. It's a rustic design. That means something you make is quite natural look, really, and at the same time, it's not just it's a natural look, but it's a look like you create it on time. It's perfect. It's a beautiful. I like that the design. I like to put the head of the big flower first. As you know, it's about rustic. It's something. It's not particular. You have to like control them. It has to be perfect shape or anything like that. Let me clear this on here. Perfect for you, and you can see perfect. So yeah. And yeah, again, you don't need to control the shape, like it had to be a round, had to be, you know, the shape is, like I said, natural look. So that is the main thing for what you have to do. Okay, then I use 3 stems of the hydrangea. Maybe I have to use more, because it's something is quite nice on it. I'm gonna move this a little bit, and I'm gonna stick this in the top. And I like to leave this, the green leaf of the hydrangea in the size. But if they got like yellow like this, you don't need to keep on you. So because that is so beautiful, I don't like to take them out, as I want them to have such a beautiful look on it. And this is the roses I call original English roses. The inside, you can see they tweak this beautiful rose. Love it. They don't have this smell. They're not like the David Austin roses. They smell so gorgeous, but the beautiful look, yes, they do. And I just stick them in. So. Couple of it, and you can see how fast is that they're not even open. I peel a little bit to stem out to help them open, and sometimes you can just stick your finger a little bit on there, the petal, and then you just help them a little bit on it, see, and then they just start help, because sometimes they really sticky on here, and if you help them a little bit on it to give them look a bit more, and then here. I'm going to do this, and I'm going to use some Ranunculus on there. This is another one of the, and then cut. When you cut the flowers, then make sure you cut a triangle, you don't cut straight, and that help them to drink the water as a quicker. Hope you can see this. Yeah, don't need to put flowers on one way, as the flowers can go in different way also. because like I said, it keeps natural look on it. That is what Rustic designed for. You just start see it, don't you? For they start, you know, to see the shape and the way they look, and all beautiful. Make sure when you stick the flowers in the oasis, you make sure you stick them deep enough. Otherwise, if too short, they're not going to drink water enough, and in the end, they will dead is quick. I'm going to use whole bunch of the Ranunculus. That is lovely, about 10 stems, because they last for long, the flowers. And this here, or and there, here, beautiful. They got a little bit sticky thing on the stem, as you can see. So, but they really last long flower as well. Here, cut stem again. Don't worry about the oil, because there's or something that's sticky from here. Don't have to worry it. That'd be fine. Just stick on that. Yeah, and then move them a little bit. See? They're beautiful. And then this, such a nice one. And I'm gonna stick this to finish them. And then after that, I will finish with a little bit of the apple, that what I call. Something is about the flowers. They're beautiful by themselves anyway. Yeah. It's beautiful. And now, it's so nice. I'm gonna cut about, to check on the stem, for where I can cut them and they can stick in that, you know. I'm not gonna lose them for fruit on that, because I don't like to lose flowers. See here, and then move them back there. How nice. And then again, one stem I can cut about 3 to spread them out. And then I'm gonna stick another stem in the back. Look, see? And then now I'm gonna put green skimmia. Here we go. Wow. And look, I keep even this last is a stem, like little thing. Like I said, I'm not wasting, you know. All this you can use as a greenery as well. So, and that, they're beautiful. Right now, I'm gonna put another skimmer in the center. Almost finished. Doesn't take you long for all this arrangement to be done. Now, I'm gonna put this as pine fern or as pine leaf. So I'm gonna put this on. Or some people call Scots Pine. And you just stick in there for the gap, to fill the gap on it. And then the last stem will be here. A little bit touch with eucalyptus. Okay, last stem. Done. So, then I'm gonna show you one by one here. There. How nice and beautiful. Beautiful, aren't they? Here, for the flowers, you just spray on there. You not spray on the roses, but you spray on the hydrangea. Yeah, here. And here. On the top here, you get them moist and get the water straight away after you arrange. Otherwise, they're too dry and they will not catch. And then, before you know that, they're not going to look nice at all. That's how the trick to look after hydrangea. There you go. Hope you like it and you enjoyed it for this video. Subscribe, hit like and share for me to support, and then I really appreciate it. Thank you for your watching and see you again in next video.